Rochelle, we're back at Louis Database and talking about advanced searches and the next step for families who are ready to dive into finding accessible materials.
In the first video, we covered what the Louis database was and how to do a simple ISBN search. However, if you do not find the textbook you need, then an advanced search might be your best option. I'm going to demonstrate how to do an advanced search in Louis, enabling you to do a more complex search to find the accessible materials needed for your child.
Why might families want to use an advanced search option?
Parents may want to do an advanced search if they are looking for a specific mathematics, language arts, or science textbook, but do not have the ISBN number. These textbooks have similar titles and sometimes have large search results. So being able to narrow down your search will be useful. So let us go back to the Louis database. And I will click on the advanced search link, which is right below the main search button. Located right under the main search box. And you will see that they have additional text box to type in your term and a drop-down menu where you can search by a particular field, such as title, publisher, author, and several others. So let's say you need to find your child's math book. I'm going to search for mathematics in the title. And then it's already got title in the field, so I don't have to pick one. And then you want to click on the Add a Row button. And then I am going to search for Savvis Learning. In the publisher field. And once again, you want to hit Add a Row. And then I am going to type Braille in the format box, format field. Okay, and this time you want to hit the search button instead of hitting enter, since it's advanced search and you have several different boxes that you're searching. So I'll click on the search button. This gives me 93 results. To narrow my search down, I will click under 8th grade under the grade category. And that brings me down to 15 results. I scroll down the list to see if I can find my child's textbook, which is the Envision Florida's Best Mathematics, Volume 2. I will scroll down some more to see if I see more than one of them. And as we can see, the only one listed is right here in the gray box. This tells us that the record is an intention.
What does that mean if it is intention?
An intention means that this item is a work in progress. As I mentioned previously, creating accessible textbooks, especially Braille, is time-consuming. For instance, a single math textbook with complex graphics could take up to 6 months to convert the text to Braille and tactile graphics. So in Louis, we want to highlight a title that is in the process of being transcribed. This will let users and other agencies know the book in question is already in progress. In this example, we see that the transcribing Marinas is currently transcribing this book into Braille. And you can have your child's teacher or TVI contact them to see when it will be completed or if they will send the volumes as they are completed. And the agency's contact information can be found by clicking the Expand Record button. And it will tell me things like the age range and the author and pagination. But what you really want to know is who to contact to purchase the book or to contact. So this would be the contact information right here. And you can click on the print or the email button to share it with your teacher or TBI. I want to make sure to go into detail about one additional filter. We talked briefly about using the collection filter. And so you can limit the results by subsets. And now I'm going to go over what those subsets are. So the all button it's going to search all of the millions, over 1 million records that are in the Louis database. But if you click on Louis, it's going to just show you the materials that are in Louis. If you click on APH, it will just show you the American Printing House for the Blind's materials. If you hit NEMAC, Learning Ally, and Bookshare, it's just going to show you what these national organizations have in their titles. And if you hit recreational reading, you're going to get like fiction or nonfiction type books for, that you might read for pleasure or that can be supplemental reading for school.
You mentioned NIMAC, Bookshare, and Learning Ally. What are those 3 agencies or organizations?
NIMAC is a federally funded online source file repository of K through 12 instructional materials. The NIMAC contains only source files from publishers. The files are meant to provide a starting point for creating accessible formats, and access is restricted to authorized administrators and teachers. You can tell your child's teacher to find out more about NIMAC by going to nimac.us. Bookshare has both instructional and recreational reading materials that can be in ebooks, audiobooks, large print, or braille. For more information on Bookshare, you can go to bookshare.org. In Learning Ally has various types of audiobooks, both narrator or human read, and synthetic voice. And for more information, you can go to learningally.org. Both Bookshare and Learning Ally offer individual student memberships and school memberships. So you should first check with your child's school to see if they are a member of organization. If they are, then your child may already have an account to use either Learning Ally or Bookshare, whichever one your school is a member of.
That is another huge wealth of resources and great organizations. But I'm still going to ask the question, what happens if parents can't find what they need?
You go back to the Louis page and just simply scroll up, click on the Ask the Librarian button, and you go down and there is a form where you can put your information, ask your question, or if you're having a problem with the website, you can tell us about that too, and just click on the Submit button. But if you don't want to fill out this form, it also lists our phone number, our email address, and it tells you what time we are available to take calls, which is 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday.
This is amazing, and I have no doubt that families having this information and the advanced search and helping find those materials will be a huge resource for them to be able to share and strengthen the collaboration between home and school. Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome.